Ano, mami? Na? Kulang ba yung cat food na? Wala na, konti lang na. Every 1 hour tayo kakain ng cat food na. Na? Na? Gugutom ka? Ha? Nagugutom ka? Ha? Lagi na lang kayong gutom. Buntis po siya, guys. That dog pregnant, guys. Ah! Dumi ng tenga. Scatter. 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 I'm going to take rest here, guys. I'm finished cooking breakfast. My baby girl, I finished exercise. Now they are finished eat breakfast too. A little bit take rest here, guys, after I'm going back home. Ano, mami? Mami, mami.